So what to do when you damage your thread? One option is to cut one size larger, but this is often not acceptable. Here I will show you one method of repairing a thread using a thread repair kit. This is a kit that I bought on AliExpress from China for M6 thread. It contains several items that you will need. Here you see the inserts, the thread inserts. Then inside there are additionally a drill bit, 6.2mm drill bit, insertion tool, and also a thread cutter. First step is to rebore a hole 6.2mm with attached drill bit, and then cut a thread. This is aluminum, so it's fairly easy to cut it, which was also a reason why it was easily destroyed in the first place. Next step is to screw in the thread insert using the provided tool. Last step is to punch out the small piece, also using provided tool. For those of you wondering which thread did we actually cut, it's somewhere between 7 and 8. M7 bolt was too loose and M8 couldn't screw in. Thread has been repaired, and what's left is to mount the part on the motorcycle. Part is a handlebar bracket. Thanks for watching and enjoy the rest of the video.